Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the easy online login process for DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union. Follow these simple steps to access your account quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the DCU website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official DCU website at www.dcu.org. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure security. Step 2. Locate the login section. Once you are on the DCU homepage, look for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select your account type. You will see options for different account types such as personal accounts or business accounts. Click on the appropriate link that fits your account type to continue. Step 4. Enter your credentials. Now, enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid login errors. Step 5. Complete any additional security verification. If you have enabled security features, you may be prompted to complete additional verification steps, such as answering security questions or entering a code sent to your registered mobile number or email. Step 6. Click on the Login button. Once you've entered all necessary information, click the Login button to access your account. Step 7. Troubleshooting issues. If you have trouble logging in, use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links provided below the login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your information. Step 8. Log out after use. For your security, always remember to log out of your DCU account after completing your online activities, especially if you are using a public or shared device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.